The MZK ET2501 Pressure Washer delivers exceptional cleaning power with a maximum pressure of 5,200 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 3 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling tough grime on cars, driveways, and patio furniture. This versatile pressure washer comes with 4 quick-connect metal spray nozzles and a foam cannon, allowing you to easily switch between different cleaning tasks and apply detergents directly without passing them through the pump. Designed for user convenience, it features a 21-foot hose and a 17-foot power cord, providing ample reach, while its 4 swivel wheels offer excellent mobility across various cleaning locations. The MZK ET2501 is not only powerful but also practical, boasting a compact design that facilitates easy storage in your garage or pantry, and includes a power cord hook and nozzle holder for organized access. Safety is a top priority with this pressure washer, as it includes a safety switch that prevents accidental activation, ensuring the machine operates only when intended, thus offering peace of mind during use. The ability to draw water from both a faucet and a bucket adds to its versatility, making it suitable for diverse cleaning environments, from residential to outdoor settings.